Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to create a shadow effect very similar to what I have displayed on my screen. Now, to create this effect, all you have to know is that you can create it with this website called higgsfield.ai. So once you go to this website, sign in, click on visual effects, scroll down and choose the shadow effect here. So once you've clicked on it, you'll be brought to this page. Just go through the effects that you've seen, and if you like any of them, you can just recreate it immediately or instantly by clicking on that particular one you love or like. Now, if none of them speaks to, or you have something else in mind, you can actually recreate yours by clicking on the generate button there. So once you click on the generate button, you will have your effects, like your section like this. Now all you have to do is to upload your image here. Once you upload your image, describe what you want. You can also use ChatGPT to describe it appropriately so that the AI would actually get what you mean. And after that, select the model of choice and duration, resolution, then click on generate, and within minutes you'll have your video ready for download. I should also point out that most of the time, um, each of these effects come with a default model. So swapping or changing to a different model may not give it the best effects. Notwithstanding, I suggest you also just use any of them. I like using this Higgsfield light, and my quality still remains good. So you can always try them out. So that's it, guys. Let me know what you guys think about this video in the comment section, and please subscribe.